Rounds of snow, then extreme cold.
Yeah, Mark, let's start with the snow, I guess.
Yeah, we'll take it chronologically. We're going to get this first round of snow moving in here later on this evening. Then there'll be another round tomorrow night, and then we'll be talking about the cold. There's enough to snow in the forecast to have winter weather advisory. Some places could pick up as much as 3 inches of snow. I think the better chance of that would be closer to the Illinois border. It's still going to be slick in the morning tomorrow, and then the next round moves in just in time for the evening commute. So the morning commute and the evening commute likely will be slow. The next round, the second round, up to an inch. This is round one. Again, starting around 10 o'clock tonight, continuing until about 6 o'clock in the morning for tomorrow morning. 1 to 3 inches of snow. Better chance of the 1 inch totals in our northern counties, better chance of the 3 inch totals in our southern counties. So the roads, yeah, it's going to get slick again. The heaviest of the snow, and it's not going to be overly heavy. The nice thing is, notice how it's not too windy because this will be a really fluffy snow. It's going to get slippery certainly in the middle of the night. During the day tomorrow, morning commute, little iffy. Quiet during the day. Then in the evening hours for the evening commute, it's going to get slick yet again. And then we'll start preparing ourselves for the real cold. This is round two tomorrow evening, so it's rare to have this back-to-back systems literally just 12 hours apart, but that's exactly what's going to be happening with these two small systems that roll in. So far, all the snow well to the west of us. You still have, I'd say, at least 3 to 4 hours where we're going to stay quiet. Then that snow moves in. Here's 11 o'clock at night. Notice how the darker blue shades down closer to the Illinois border. It's a little bit lighter in our northern counties. So then, done by 6 a.m., quiet until the next round. This comes flying in during the evening hours. And this one really is going to go through quickly. Pretty much from 5 to 10 o'clock tomorrow night, we'll be dealing with this quick hit of snow. Then it's quieter, but it starts to get colder, especially late in the day on Thursday. That's when the big cold front arrives. And that's why we're under an extreme cold watch. What in the world does that mean? That means wind chills of at least 30 below, but this go around, it looks like wind chills could get as low as 40 degrees below zero. It is likely we're going to see this, an extreme cold warning. When that happens, that usually triggers many school districts to cancel school. And that certainly is possible on Friday morning when the wind chills could be 40 degrees below zero. We stay below zero with our wind chill from Thursday evening all the way until Sunday at about noon. That's quite a while. 13 degrees, ice over parts of the Milwaukee River, and there's going to be a lot more ice. Plenty of ice here as we take you out to Pewaukee Lake. One nice thing is there's still a little light in the sky. Those daylight hours are slowly but surely getting longer. Snow early and late for your forecast for Wednesday. That's why it's an impact day tomorrow. Quieter day on Thursday with that cold front arriving in the evening. And then Friday, it's just really cold. That's why it's an impact day with a high of 3 degrees below zero. Lows around 10 degrees below. Chance of light snow again on Sunday. It's going to gradually get better. 20 degrees by Tuesday. 23 tomorrow. That's our warm day.
Dare I say at least the sun is out on Friday?
There it is.
There we go.
Yeah,
Look for the
positive.
silver lining. January after all.
Temperatures don't get positive. We'll stay in the negative territory, but you stay positive.
All right. Thanks, Mark. We'll be right back.